Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the uppercase text formula to convert all the text into uppercase text on your Microsoft Excel on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use uppercase text formula on your Microsoft Excel on the web. So I just using the Microsoft Excel in the web. It's a free version. It's officially provided by the Microsoft, and you just need to use this formula. First, I just need to uppercase all the text, which means the text will be on the capital letter. So just enter into a box first and click on the equal symbol. Now you just need to type as upper, and you can find only one formula will be pop up here. Just click this. Now it's asking about the range. So I just need to make every text should be on the capital. So I just select it and click on the enter. So you can see all the text here will be capitalized or converted to the uppercase text from the lowercase text by using this particular formula on your Microsoft Excel on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.